Students, in human, excretion is mainly brought about the following organs, four organs, in which the first one is kidney, second one is skin, third one is lungs, and the fourth one is liver. If we talk about the kidney, kidney is the primary excretory organ which helps in the elimination of nitrogenous waste urea in the form of urine. And this is the chief excretory organ. Most of the harmful excretory products that are formed in our body is mainly excreted out or removed by the kidneys. Along with the other organs, it forms the urinary system or renal system in humans. As already said you, kidney along with the ureter, then urinary bladder and urethra forms the urinary system or renal system. And students, this will we will in detail the urinary system we will discuss in later on, means what in our next class we will discuss about the urinary system or renal system. Now if you talk about the skin eliminates waste products like water and sodium chloride, that is the salt, along with the small amount of urea and lactic acid in the form of sweat. And sweat is formed what? In sweat glands which lie under the epidermis or top layer of the skin. So sweat is formed in the sweat gland which lie under the top layer epidermis of the skin, and waste product and the water from the blood flows through the capillaries in the skin and pass through the walls of the capillaries into the sweat gland, and from the sweat gland it come out as a sweat. Students, sweat glands pass out sweat only when required for the cooling. So truly they are not excretory organ. Means when we sweat, when our body feels warm or feels hot, that's why the sweat gland releases the sweat to cool down the temperature or to reduce the temperature of the body. So the main purpose of the sweating is to regulate the body temperature, not to excrete out the sweat, not to excrete out the waste product, but the main purpose of the sweat gland is to reduce the body temperature. Now the next one is lungs. Lungs excrete carbon dioxide, the harmful carbon dioxide from our body through the expired air. And the liver student detoxifies ammonia, means after metabolism in our body, metabolism of protein, ammonia is formed, which is very much harmful, which is very much poisonous. But the liver, what it does, it changes ammonia into urea, that is very much less harmful. Urea is also harmful, but less harmful in compared to ammonia. Not only that, the liver also helps to eliminate the useful part of the dead RBCs as bile juice. And liver also break down bad cholesterol, alcohol, nicotine and drugs, means medicine. So student, in this way liver help us. Now this much for today, and if you have any question regarding the today's topic, text me, and next day we will study about the human urinary system.